Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Crypto Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I'm here to flip $70 for you to see. And before we start today's video, yeah, I have a class coming up on the 26th of this month. So if you're a beginner and you want to start with crypto arbitrage, I will show you all the basic steps from scratch up to the top. I'll give you all the necessary platforms and exchanges that you need to make your arbitrage journey very easily. And I'll also introduce you to a boat. I'll introduce you to the boat as well. Yeah, so I have the link in the bio. I have the link in the description if you're watching me from YouTube, so that you can buy your tickets for my next class. The next class, since Bybit have sponsored the class, yeah, you'll be paying half, and Bybit to what will be taking care of the half. Yeah. So I have the link in the description. It's just 100 Ghana cities. Yeah, just 9 point something dollars. Yeah, it's not even up to $10. Yeah. So today I've deposited $77 in my account. So I'm here to flip $70 doing crypto arbitrage. So you have to pay attention to me. Yeah. So I'll be using this and the Black Market app to do it. Yeah. So I'll be using a coin that we call it XRP. XRP. So currently XRP is 2.3 right now on spot trade in Bybit. Yeah. So before we can make more money with SRP, then we have to what, buy it here and sell it more than 2.3 on the other exchange. If not so, then we will not be able to what, get profits. So always have to buy it low and sell it high, so that you'll be able to get profit from it. Yeah. So if I open here, first of all, people were saying that, like, I don't check the market volume. No. How can I do a trade without checking the market volume? And you can see that over here, Bybit. So Bybit, SRP have higher market value, so there's no need for you to check. People don't know what they are talking about, but they just comment anyhow. And I've seen people that saying that if you have money, why do you also teach and take money? Dangote is the richest man in Africa, but still his business are still operating and he's still cashing out. Not me, crypto lord. We are not even get $1 million. I should relax on my hustle. No, bro. I didn't get this thing for free, so I have to also make business side of my business. Yeah, me trading, me becoming influencer, me becoming mentor, it's all part of the business. So you understanding it early will help you. I've heard people saying that, yo, if you really make money, why do you don't know what you are saying? If you were to be in my shoes, you will do the same thing. So you just be there. So right now it's 2.3, and I've already checked the wallet address and it's the same. Yeah. So I'll go to the I'll go to the platform and also check there. So if I check over there, I can see that over here is 2.6, and the market volume for 24 hours over here is also very cool. You see, it's very cool. Yeah, so I'll buy it from Binance and come and sell it on this black market platform. And how will I do it? So that's what I'm about to do. So I will just go to buy here. And as a beginner, I've already told you or show you how you can deposit money in your Bybit wallet. If you don't know, I have a link in the description. I have a Bybit link in the description. Just register. After doing your registration, come to your P2P here and you buy your coin. So if you're in Ghana, buy one USDT is 12.18 Ghana cedis. So you can buy your USDT here. Then after that, you come to your trade and select the coin over here. Then you buy, click on buy. So buy here, like you buy it over here. So if you want to buy 100, so let me start with $77. So I'll be getting 33.33 USDT, and this you can trade as many. Yeah, I'll show you how many times that you trade. It's not like, I mean, you have a limit to it. You have to know, like when you're doing regulated platform to regulated platform, the legal ones, that one you can trade as many as you want. When you're trading right here, you can trade as many as you want. But when you are trading with a third party, a black app, that one we have a limit to it, and I'll show you when you join my mentorship or class. Yeah, you have to know that we have mentorship and you have class is two different things here. So buying 27 SRP, I'll be getting 33.33. So I'll just, and I've already checked the withdrawal for SRP. Let me show you the withdrawal fee for SRP. So it's 0.46, $0.4. Yeah, $0.4. Let's say $0.5. That's 0.5 cents. Yeah, something like that. So I'll just go to the exchange here. Then I'll choose XRP to USDT, and I'll enter the amount. The amount is 33.33. So I'll be getting 86.8. So I invested in 7. So let me go to my calculator and see whether I'm making profits. So 86.8 minus 77, I'm getting 9.8, and I will deduct 0.5. That's the fee from 8. I'll be making $9.3 per $77. Yeah, so I'm making 9.3 profit on my $27 account. So if I do this, let's say 10 times, but we have a limit to it, and a limit to I'll show you if you join my mentorship. I'll show you. Yeah, but I'm just doing this rough work for you. So 9.3 times 10, if I'm doing it 10 times, I'll be making $93 every day. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so you can trade as many as you want. All you have to do is what? Buy it and come and exchange the USDT. Come and exchange with the SRP to USDT, and you're making your profit. So you just have to click on the exchange, and it will exchange for you. Then you will withdraw it. Then you will withdraw your money. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah, you just have to buy it from here and sell it on the blackness platform, and you'll be making your profits. Why don't you trade live for us to see? Those who follow me or those who join my mentorship knows that I trade live. But when I do videos like this, I post it on 5 platforms, and some of the platforms just allow you to trade live, or they will take the video down. So I think, yeah. So that's why normally I don't trade. I just show you the steps for you to see. Yeah. So we have more coins over there, and just now I just used SRP on to show you that we have a lot of coins that have opportunity, and the boots will show you more coins, where to buy and where to sell, which platform or which exchange you have to buy it from it, and which exchange you have to sell it on it. It will show you everything. Yeah, I have a boat over there that will show you everything, and people who bought the boat can testify to it, and it can also give you more than 70 exchange platforms that will help you do your arbitrage trading. You see, yeah. So this how we do crypto arbitrage. Yeah, and I have a lot of videos. Though when I'm doing videos like this, I don't go deep. That one is part of the business. I don't go deep. Yeah, but when you contact me one on one, you can see that I have time for you for us to go deep. Yeah, that one there is true. Yeah, so thank you for watching me. And if you're new to my channel, please follow me, subscribe, yeah, and share to your friends for them to also enjoy. And I have Bybit link in the description. In case you don't have Bybit, click on it and register a Bybit account and start your trading. And I have my coming class link in the description or on the bio too. You can click on it and also have it. Child, I'm feeling sleepy. I have sleep so that I'll wake up early and start trading. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.